This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and access. This prevents interruptions. First, verify batteries or plug the backup power cable because a dead battery stops any setup. Once powered, wake the touchscreen with a gentle tap. The display should light instantly. Next, enter the admin or default code to unlock configuration mode. This is necessary so you can change settings securely. Make sure you have your paired device nearby, as pairing steps often follow right after you access admin controls. Now you configure codes and connectivity. Take it step by step. In admin mode, open Settings, then Locks, and choose touchscreen options. This groups relevant features for faster changes. Set a primary admin code, add temporary guest codes with expiration, and choose an auto-lock delay to balance convenience and security. Once codes are set, pair Bluetooth or connect to Wi-Fi by following the on-screen prompts. Confirm any PIN shown on your phone. This establishes remote control and firmware update capability, which you should enable. Finish by saving and testing. This confirms everything works as intended. After exiting admin mode, test locking and unlocking the door 3 times. Use the touchscreen, a code, and your paired device to verify consistent behavior. Enable automatic firmware updates and set a trusted backup access method like a physical key or secondary admin code. If the touchscreen becomes unresponsive, first reboot or replace the batteries. If problems persist, perform a factory reset using the reset hole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.